Welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris.
I'm Chance.
Today we're going to look at screws. It's going to be a whole video about screws.
Yeah.
Screws. Lots of screws.
Lots of screws.
Actually, it's not going to be a video about screws. But we are going to go look at screws. You guys remember from a few weeks back that we took the door panels out of Edna and we got that fabric to Marketplace on Main in Cowpen, South Carolina to put on the door panels. They're finally back from the upholstery shop, so we can put them on now, but we need screws because it's going to go on slightly different than the way it used to. So we're going to come to Lowe's real quick and take a look and see what the options are. Searching for screws.
Searching for screws.
At Lowe's.
At Lowe's.
Normally I'm more of a Home Depot man, but Lowe's has a better screw selection. So we're coming here. Those.
Mysteries.
These. Alright. We're gonna go with these and these. Chance went full weirdo. Chance found the cars.
What are those in there? That's a Toyota, I think. That one's cool. Is that a Bugatti? Ooh, Porsches. Let me look at these.
They got some F100s.
What year's that?
Don't know.
Old truck, Dad.
Yeah.
The doors open up cool, but they go back down very easily. Like one tap and it like just goes right back down.
Look, they cautioned off Edna. Not really. Alright, let's go put some door panels on. So Chance wanted to do the abandoned railroad today. Like he's been wanting to go back for a while, but there's so much kudzu and stuff out there. We can't really go during the summertime. So you gotta kind of wait till everything's dead, which is pretty much now. He did want to do that today, and I did consider it, but it's kind of late in the day to get started on that because it's about an hour drive from where we're at, plus an hour back, plus the actual walk, which I think in the last video, I think we walked for close to 3 hours.
So at least would have been like 6-7 hours.
Yeah. So I might try to do it in our next video. That way we can plan it a little bit better and leave earlier in the morning, so we have more time. So today is a tech video. Well, I don't know how tech it is, but we're going to show how we're going to put the door panels back on, so that'll be cool. I've been kind of excited about these for a while.
Me too.
And possibly doing the headliner. So we'll see. Okay, so here's the door panel. It's padded now, which I think is kind of cool. And they made a hidden pocket, which I'm liking too. Now, originally this thing held on with little holes. I'll flip it over to the other side. It had these little holes where the screws go through. But I'm a little worried about cutting the
Wrong spot.
fabric because I don't want, because fabric frays. So I'm going to test this idea out instead of just, sticking it with a knife. I'm going to test an idea out that I learned on Vice Grip Garage and see if this will work for wool.
Okay, got the camera.
Alright, so I'm going to take a torch and I'm going to heat up this little punch here to stab through the holes, but we're going to try it on a test piece of fabric first. See it changing color from getting hot?
Yeah, it's getting red now.
Alright.
That's how hot it is, and it's red.
Let's see what happens if we touch the fabric.
Could that burn our fingers off? Oh!
Perfect. So now,
That scared me.
we can just do that where each screw is supposed to go. And it'll kind of cauterize the ends. I don't know if that's the right word, but basically kind of keep it so where it's not going to fray.
Can I do a hole? Or do you think I'm...
Here, do one.
You hold the... Try not to burn your fingers off. Up there? Cool.
Alright, let's see if we can try the actual thing. Flip it over so we can see the holes instead of guessing.
Yeah, that'd be much harder.
I think I'm going to skip this one because you can't see it on the other side.
Okay. Is that just going through?
Mm-hmm. This one's going to be hidden.
Ow.
So I'm going to hold that away so we don't go through both.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Oh, it's got to cool off again.
Right?
It smells terrible.
I know. And look, and see every single hole there.
All right, now the way we did this is the same stainless steel screws like we had before.
Where's that hole?
Except we got these special washers right here. Just upholstery washers, because this is what the headliner already had to attach it, so it still matches the rest of the interior the way it's fastened. But this will keep the heads from twisting the fabric when it screws in. So let me get a screwdriver real quick. Let's start with this middle screw here. Not even close to the hole. There we go, right there.
Looks so good.
You like it?
Yeah, matches. Matches better than the grade, for my opinion. Should we do it for the seat, or are we going to keep the seat the same?
I don't know.
The seats would be softer.
We need a lot more fabric.
That is true. And it'd take much longer than what they did to this, right?
Possibly.
Looks so good in those bright blue shoes. Like, it looks so bright on camera.
Thank you, Chance.
It looks much brighter on camera. That's called style right there. Does it get harder the closer you get in?
No.
Because it's more tight. I know. But we have to do that after. Are we just doing the doors? Or is that all we have?
That's all we have right now.
What next are we going to do? Are we going to do like the roof in here?
Maybe. That's what I was talking about with the headliner.
Oh. There we go.
Look at that. Ooh. And the best part.
Got the shades. And they in the pocket. Yeah. Look at them shades. Nice.
All right, model off that door pocket for me.
What's that supposed to mean?
Like, show it off.
We should do a before and after results.
Yeah. What do you think? You like it?
I don't like it. I love it.
Now we just got to prep the other side, do the same thing.
Yeah. Okay. This one?
Yeah, go straight, real straight through it. Like come over like this. Because you want to go right straight down through it, like that. Down, up. Now we'll go to this one. Just down and up. Perfect.
That? Or is it driving backwards? Is backwards easy or no? I'll go get it.
Well, how's it look?
Good.
This one gets so dirty. I think they look good. Now, the real question is, do we want to do the headliner? Should we throw in the visors while we're at it? Probably got to get more fabric. They gave me the leftover fabric when I picked it up, but I don't know for sure if there's enough to do the headliner, so I might have to go back and get that last little bit from the antique store. So that could make or break this project. I definitely have enough to do the visors. Let us know what you think down in the comments below if you think we should do the visors and the headliner. Beyond that, I'm not really sure what else we could do. But I think it looks good. All right, well that brings us to the end of this project. What do you think?
It was cool.
It was cool. It's a nice new door panel. What are you going to put in your door panel?
I don't know. I don't normally bring stuff. Because I don't normally wear sunglasses.
Good point.
Toys?
You going to keep toys in there?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I hope you guys liked it. I'll leave a link in the description below for the abandoned railroad and see if you guys want to see a part 2 of that, just in case you haven't already seen it. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it very much. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.